Today's medical-centric topic is, can you eat crickets? All you need to know. Yes, you can eat crickets. In fact, people have been doing it for centuries across Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Now, thanks to the rise of sustainable eating, crickets are showing up in protein bars, snacks, and even baking flour. But what exactly do crickets offer nutritionally, and are they really safe and tasty to eat? Let's get into the facts. Why would anyone eat crickets? The short answer? Protein and sustainability. Crickets are high in protein, about 60 grams per 100 grams, packed with essential amino acids, rich in B12, iron, calcium, magnesium, and omega-3s, low in fat and carbs, extremely efficient to farm, requiring less water, space, and feed than cows or chickens. This makes crickets one of the most eco-friendly animal protein sources on the planet. What do crickets taste like? Mild and nutty. Most people describe the flavor as somewhere between sunflower seeds and shrimp shells. When roasted, they're crunchy and can be seasoned like chips. In powder form, they're virtually flavorless and mix well in smoothies, baked goods, and protein bars. Health benefits. 1. High-quality protein. Crickets provide complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't produce. 2. Gut health support. Cricket powder contains chitin, a type of prebiotic fiber that may boost gut bacteria and digestion. 3. Micronutrient powerhouse. They offer more iron than spinach and more B12 than salmon, nutrients often lacking in vegetarian diets. 4. Low allergen risk, for most. While shellfish allergic people should be cautious due to a similar protein, crickets are safe for most and hypoallergenic in small doses. Any downsides? Allergies. If you're allergic to shellfish, proceed with caution. Crickets may trigger a reaction. Taste and texture. Not everyone loves the idea of bugs, but cricket flour is an easy, invisible entry point. Availability. Still not mainstream in many places, and it can be pricey. Processing matters. Make sure your cricket products come from reputable, food-grade farms, not just backyard bugs. How to try crickets. Roasted whole crickets, crunchy, great for snacks. Cricket protein powder. Mix in smoothies, pancakes, or protein bars. Cricket-based snacks. Chips, granola, cookies. Energy bars. May contain cricket flour as a protein source. Look for certified brands with third-party testing and food safety standards.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.